Nehemiah was carrying a burden of broken walls. Nehemiah's heart was heavy. He was bruised internally. He was disturbed spiritually. He was broken physically. His face lost shape. He was no longer the same. He was identified by the king as not being well, and his face not being smiling. And the king approached him and asked him, why is he so disturbed? Why is he so down? He further mentioned that he has heard the message that the walls have been broken and that the gates have been bent. How can I be well when Isidore see? How can I be well when the gates are compromised? In a normal journey, usakalezo darasa iminyango isisiwe, amasango esisiwe, neindoda siwile. Uthingiyacela enkosini ukuthi nginikezwe ithuba lokwehla ngiyenzansi ngiyolungisa izindonga eziwile iBhayibheli lami lithi he granted the permission. Ladies and gentlemen, when he arrived, indeed the walls were broken, the walls were shapeless, the integrity of the city was down, the power of the city was down, everything was been bent, cut down, everything was in the ashes. And the Bible records that he summoned men of his mind, of his stature, of his caliber, that people who had the mind to work, the mind to build. Someone to Moham, someone to Bobis. I'm on the Bamondo, Yenalenda Flugens. Gensegas Sunday Nabanto, Katabeko let the sins high. Gensegas Consenabanto, Katabeko let the sins high. He selected men with the same heart. He selected men with the same attitude. People who think like you, people who pray like you, people who worship like you, because the more they don't understand you, it's the more they will denounce you. But when you have people around you that understand your God and they understand your walk and your faith, they are going to push you to greater heights. They went and they began to build. When they started collecting from the rubble, it is say, I despise what are these people Jews doing? Who has ever badelela umsebenzi abawenzayo iningi into yenzile ku-2024 abantu bayibukela phansi as if it was a joke, but he announcing today that it was never in vain. Even if it was the first layer, while you were still collecting, people were talking. While you were still deciding and planning, people were talking. They loved and they loved and they despised them and they undermined them. Let me conclude, ladies and gentlemen. And when the walls were getting to the half of to the hip height, half of its way, they started raising their eyebrows because they saw that this is not a joke, that this construction is progressive. But they first gathered, kodwa ngifuna ukuzokutshela namhlanje ukuthi inkosi yakwazi ikubonile. Never despise the construction that is going on in your life. Never despise or undermine what God is doing in your life. Ukhona abantu abahalela ukuba nguwe, ukhona abantu abafisa ukuba nguwe, ukhona abantu abahalela impilo yakho. Uyayidelela le mpilo kuyo, uyayandamana le mpilo kuyo. uNkulunkulu uyakuhlonipha esazulwini, ney'ngelosi ziyakuhlonipha ezulwini. Wena andamana le nto kuyo, wena usafuna more, wena uthi khona into eyishodayo. Kanti you need to be grateful because the devil uyayimonela le nto ayibona kuBrian, uSathane uyayimonela le nto ayibona kuSibongile. uSibongile uyayidelela, uSibongile uyayi-undermine because ayilingani yabanzuza. Angisumayele namhlanje ngithi sanyukisa indoda sabase saxukuza iziso. The most important enkosini ukhona abantu abahambisayo, ukhona abantu abagqokayo. The most important enkosini ukhona abantu abahlanzayo. Bethi ngenze njani? Besithe siyayicima le nto yakhe ngoMatshi, nenze njani? Besithe siyayicima le nto yakhe ngoSeptember. Why are you still worshiping? Why esathandaza? Why esakhonza? Why esakhola? Simzamile ngomyeni waqhubeka wakhonza, samzama ngabantwana waqhubeka wakhonza, samzama ngezifo waqhubeka wakhonza, samzama ngama-disappointments waqhubeka wakhonza. Nenze njani? The devil respects what you despise. And the Bible records, it's the Bible at the back, they saw that the enemy is waging war. It's a Bible. With their one hand they built, with their other hand they fought. You never stop building. Let them talk. Bayeke bathethe ungayeki ukwakha. Bayeke bathethe ungayeki ukwakha. Lento ebenza bethethe because bebethule all along. But once bathetha kusho ukuthi condense naye ungahlehli, ungaphela amandla. Qhubeka yiyo ubambe yona. The more amazwi ephakama, the more abantu bethetha, which is calling the call. Qhubeka ungabusaba. Ngoba lethi mayile imoto ingabisama ngoba iyabaphazamisa. Ukuma kwakho, ukufa kwakho. Akusekho kubuyela kuva manje sesiyaphambili. uSathane uyasimonela, uSathane akayifuni into enhle. Kodwa sesizwile namhlanje, we will never stop worshiping. We will never stop praying. We will never stop declaring. Angeke siyeke ukuquqa le nkosini yamakhosi. By the one hand they beat, and with one hand they fought. They had chiefs. They were working day and night, replacing the walls and rebuilding the walls. Let me conclude. And when they saw that the construction is progressive, they begin to send a message. Oh, would you come down? Let us talk. Let us reason. Come, yes. Uze sizoyikhuluma lento yakho. Wathumela umlayezo wathi angeli ufuna umsebenzi kaBaba ume ngizoxoxa uvume bovobe. Ake ngishumayeze ibandla ngo-2024 sesiwuvala siye ku-2025. Ungayili impi engenama-rewards. Abantu bembizela emhlanganweni wokuxoxa kanti bazomdraina amandla. uSathane ayikho into azoyigeyina ngokuxoxa ubuvuvu. Into ezosuke yenzeke uzoba weak, uzoba drained. Why? Ukulalela ubuvuvu bovuve. What you need to do, you need to continue to be the let them talk. The more they talk is the more they promote you. Uma bengakhulumi ngawo kusho ukuthi awuna impact. When you don't have impact, they will never sozuhlethwa. Bangenamehluko umehluko sozuhlethwa. Bangenza umehluko uzothandwa yiwo wonke umuntu. But when you begin to stand for the right and begin to do uyimele into yakho, bazoqale bahlele, bazoqale bathethe. Let me conclude. IBhayibheli lithi what I cannot come down. I cannot come down. What should the work of the Lord cease? While I live and go down to you. It's like he sent again the message. Ukuthi kuyelani futhi nithi mageze ehle wathumela the same message. I'm not coming down. Angehli kule ntaba. Noma kwehlela angehli kule ntaba. Noma kwenyukela angehli kule ntaba. I will trust in my God in season and out of season. I will worship my God in season and out of season. I will praise my God in season and out of season.